Eddie, welcome back to Dan's Hangout Garage. We were working on the Goldwing again, so after the intro, we'll jump into it. Oh yeah, starting the day. Look at all that.
I've got plenty of mine, get up and play, 'cause you never feel this way.
Hopefully you like the intro, but today, like the title says, we're swapping out the windshield on this 88 Honda Goldwing, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Because there's a few things you got to take off just to get to the windshield. And the reason why I'm actually replacing it for right now is because it's old, it's scratched up, it's hard to see through, it's really tall. This is a 34 inch, I think, and I ordered a 27. Because I'm a little shorter, because right now this is right at my eye level, and I want it just a hair below my eye level, so if I need to raise it up, I can, because these do raise up, and this is at the lowest setting it can get. Alright, you can choose what side you like to work on first, but they're both the same process, but we are going to do both ones together, so you can skip through. If you already see one side, you know how to do the other. First thing we're doing is we're going to pull this little rubber piece off right here. There we go. There we go. That way we can turn it, because there is a couple screws you got to get to. Here's the one on the bottom we're going to take off first. It is a Phillips. All right. Take this one off. It's always good to have a nice magnet tray to stick your bolts in. Alright. Rotate it. There's one down here at the bottom on the other side. And then move the mirror a little bit. There's one. Let's see if I can get it on camera. Oh, dang it. One right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. We're going to take that one off next. And then this whole mirror should come off. Ooh, don't drop your trim piece like I just did. The mirror comes off. Nope, get the trim piece. And then here's your window adjuster, so you can unlock and lock your windows. We're not going to mess with that. We're going to go to this one once we get the other side of the mirror undone. So let's move to this side and get it off. So the same process for this side. I'm not going to show you the bolts. They're in here. I found it's easier to remove this rubber piece, and a lot of people be like, oh, there's a better way, but this is the way I do it. So I'm going to start with the top one this time. Move the mirror down. It looks like it's easier to get the top one out first. I should have said that before. No, there goes a bike. That's what I want to do. Go for a ride. And then our two bottom ones. Now we're going to work on both of these. You probably can take these bolts out without removing the mirror, but I found out it's a lot easier to have the mirror out the way while you're working with the windshield. A lot of people are like, oh, you're just doing it longer way. No, it's, to me, this is the best way I think to do it. So there might have some people out there saying, oh, you can do it better. Okay, this is the way I do it. Now we're going to remove both of these. There's one. And let's move over to the other side. These bolts are a little bit shorter than the mirror bolts, so don't mix them up. Now it's time to pull the cowling off. Unlock it. Pop that side off. Pull forward. And then out. Pull back a little bit and then straight back. You'll be working on the front. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts or 5 screws. When I got this bike, it was missing 2 of them, so the windshield actually flop around quite a bit. I ordered 2 more, got them in. Now it's time to pull them out. So we just work our way around on these. You'll have a bolt and a slider. Of course, it would help if I was using the right size Phillips. A little small for this application. Need a little bit bigger one. There we go. Your last screw slider, and your windshield will come off. All right, there we go. It is out. It's really dirty. And before you chunk this thing, make sure your new windshield's gonna work before you try to scratch it up even more. So here's our new windshield. I'm gonna use our salt knife to open her up. I ordered this online, so I did not order from the dealership. So I'm hoping it fits. It says Honda replacement from 98 to present. And I gotta make sure it's not damaged in any way. Get it opened up. There we go. New windshield. We gotta pull the stickers off. There's a plastic protector, and then we'll put it back on. Which is supposed to be 27, and they're the same size. Oh well. At least this one is clear. I can see through it. With me getting the plastic off, we're going to set the windshield up here and make sure all the bolt holes are going to line up. They're looking good. So now we're going to get one of the sliders. Stick it in and get it screwed down. Oh. did forget to mention, when you're doing this, make sure it's easier if your windshield's already at the lowest setting. Don't screw them all down until you get them all in. Just snug them up. Get each slider in with its screw. And now to the last slider. Oop. Drop the nut. Yeah. That's where I messed up. So after you got your windshield all snugged up, don't over tighten. Here's the two little hooks that go in here. Boom. Alright, once you get it on, you got to get it in this little hole right here. And there you go. Now we reinstall the bolts. Locking down. Back over to the other side. Okay, we're on the other side, same thing. Pop it in the little hole. Put your screw in. Got your screw in, and lock the windshield down. Boom. That windshield's not going to go nowhere right now, and then we can reinstall our mirrors. Same process of taking the mirrors off or putting them back on. We have our little trim piece that needs to go on too. Figure out which way it goes. And then go ahead and add the mirrors. Remember, just put the bolts in first. Get them started. That way you can go to your next one, which is way off. So once you get all your screws in, all you gotta do is work this glove back around the window trim. Make sure it's in all sections. And there you go. Pull all the rest of your stickers, clean your windshield. Get all your fingerprints off of it, because you know you have fingerprints on it. And go enjoy the day. So thanks for watching. Dan and Hangout Garage. Hope you stay tuned.
When the lights go